Hello, this is Constance. I'm pleased to be here today recording a testimonial for Dr. Speron, who recently did a really good job on my mini facelift. And I was so pleased. I was pleased that I didn't go to the hospital and that the procedure was done right here. It was very professionally done. I had zero pain during the procedure. I had some pain afterwards, but you know, he had given me some medication. I healed quickly, and my scars, I don't know if I should show them to you, but I didn't have it done that long ago. And I'm just really pleased with it, and I am especially pleased with the folks in his office, the gals. I've come back a few times and had what I call trims, you know, little pieces taken out of these stitches that kind of grow out. Dr. Speron will tell you about that. But they've been very pleasant all along. And I just recently had just a Botox injection. And, you know, you hear about people going to Botox parties and so on. I was really impressed with the level of professionalism. They gave me a list of medications to stop taking prior to the shots. They called me the day after the shot. It was done like in a operating theater. Very, very well done. Dr. Speron did it himself. And I just thought, my gosh, you know, they treated this Botox injection like it was a little mini surgery. And I thought how professionally that was done. I do have some experience with other plastic surgeons, a couple of them in Water Tower Place, and I wouldn't go back there. I don't know what you're paying for, but I wasn't thrilled with the work that I had done there. I'll tell Dr. Speron who the name is, but I won't tell you. Anyway, I would recommend this plastic surgery theater so highly. I can't think of a thing that I would not recommend, and the cost is very, very amenable. I'm not a wealthy woman, but you know, and think, wow, do I really want to spend money on a facelift, you know, but I'm so pleased that I did. I'm really pleased that I did, and I know that you'll be pleased too. So, come by.